Struggle with complex electrical testing? Meet the CM-3000 series. Automatically identifies and switches between voltage and resistance. One button to genius tricks. Clamp onto wires directly for instant readings. Readings update in real time. Non-contact voltage detection warns you. Buzzer plus flash for live wires. Stay safe, zero guesswork. Plus, continuity, diode, capacitance, frequency. Temperature all-in-one for electricians, engineers, or DIY heroes. Ready to roll, includes probes, pouch, battery, everything you need. Upgrade your toolkit, tap the link now.